day one on our Bondi project for BWG. We've got our blue metal delivered. Robbie on site, setting it all up. What do we got, Rob?
Yeah, so today's an important day, first day here.
Yep.
So
why is it important?
It's important because this is the basement.
Yep.
So it's the lowest part of it's a 3-story house we're doing here in Bondi. So this is important because we want to get all our provisions in the ground before they do the big concrete pour for the basement.
Yep.
If you don't get them in now, you don't want to be cutting up concrete slabs later on.
Yeah. Okay.
Because this will be polished concrete, this car park here. And yeah, everything's going all right. Just walked through with the builder with our plans. We've marked all our levels out and yeah, ready to start cutting out some sandstone. Yeah.
No mucking around here.
No mucking around.
Keep us updated, man.
Keep you updated on the project.
So guys, I've walked through with Andrew with the basement, with the drainage. Everything's okay. The only thing that's not clear that we need to sort out very quickly, because it will be a problem, in this section of the basement, putting an ag line on the side of the sewer.
Sorry, say that again.
Putting an ag line on the side of the sewer isn't enough because it's higher than the finished slab. The finished slab in the car park is about this high.
Yep.
I need to have a drain line below that. Now, if we don't have an ag line below that, this pretty much becomes a wet wall just because of this sandstone. Water will come through this sandstone.
Yep.
So I do need to pick it up. I understand the footing's sitting hard up against here.
Yep.
But we need to figure something out.
Yep.
At this stage.
Do you propose anything?
Look, the only thing I can propose is moving that sewer and cutting the sandstone out, or you're going to have to negative waterproof this whole wall.
Negative waterproof the whole wall. Okay. All right. I'll sort it down.
I can't think of anything else.
Alright guys, so we've managed to get a fair bit amount of sandstone exposed here. There's still a little bit left to go. We've gotten our levels for our trenches here, so we've gotten a good 10 to 12 meters in with wet saw cutting, so all the way up to here. Now there are still 2 trenches to do, but for now this is where we've gotten to. Yeah, we've completely cleaned up our piles there, getting rid of all the excess dirt, also putting it there, so it's all on track. It looks like there's 1 more day's worth of work, at least of demolition, with our bunker bags there as well.
An unforeseen variation, we've got a power generator here running off our leads. Usually we don't need one of these, but this site was in a very big rush and the electrician hasn't put his provisional power in. So at the moment we're running all our leads, all our jackhammers off this generator, which we had to hire from Kennards. Usually not an expense needed, but in this case we needed it. Keeping the job going along, so we can still dig our trenches, we can still put our stormwater in, even though the electrical's not in. The joys of plumbing behind the scenes, what no one gets to see. When you quote a job and you don't allow for rain, and then it fills all the trenches, pumping out the water so we can continue working. You got to do what you got to do. Day 2 of our stormwater in ground. Can't really bother the boys too much because everyone's got their hands busy, as you can see. Robbie's been Lance over there, with our labourers jackhammering away, so get a better update once there's no machinery going on. This is what it's looking like at the moment with all our trenches backfilled with blue metal. Everything's to code. Days, also battling the weather, grey clouds up there. Let's see how far we get.